Now here we have on offer today a 2011 BMW HP2 Megamoto. This is the last year they made the Megamoto, and as you can see, the condition is beautiful. Everything how it is, no scrapes or marks on the swinging arm. The wheels are perfect. We have the rear footrest bar, which is sometimes missing. Sadly though, this bike has a little bit of damage, so it's been sold as a damage repair. Now, it's not recorded because we bought this bike in from Japan, so it's an unrecorded bike, 2011, and we will supply it registered, MOT'd, ready to ride, but there is some damage to be repaired. We will replace this, which is the number plate illumination light. That'll have to be done for the MOT, but apart from that, it will pass. So let's have a look at the damage and wear and tear. Now, the seat you're on this one has faded a bit, and they all seem to do that. The front mudguard, there's a couple of cracks in it. The cowling around the centre carbon portion of the headlight unit is broken and missing. Actually, we don't have those parts. The rest of it is all good. All the brackets are straight, nothing's broken. This panel has a piece missing, and this rocker box shows where it's been down the road. Now, it's not leaking or anything. It's an easy repair. These covers you can get quite easily on the used market, but that one could be repaired, repainted. A spark plug cover, trim cover there, and of course the cylinder head cover is gone, so you can either replace it with one like this, and there are others out there. As described, this is a stunning bike. You know, you can see how clean it all is. There's no marks or anything on the frame. The engine is just perfect. Now, the mileage on this one is 43,721 kilometers, so that's about 27,300, just over 27,300 miles. She starts on the button, and the fuel light is flashing. Obviously the orange triangles tell us the fuel level's low. Super quiet. The exhaust here, a couple of little marks there on the banding, but actually if you could repair the banding, that would be okay. So I'll just turn that off so you can hear me. A little bit of a mark on the clutch lever. All easy repairs. So we're pricing this one to sell. I mean, if you want to buy an example of a Megamoto in this condition, undamaged, you're looking at 14, 15, 16,000. And we're offering this one, no part exchanges, take it away at 10. Now, it will be registered, as I said, on an age-related plate. If you want to have the bike for export, let us know, and we're happy to ship anywhere into Europe or anywhere in the world. But a bit of a bargain of one of BMW's most iconic bikes. If you have any queries, just contact us on the website, and we look forward to hearing from you.